Hello, guys. My name is Loreen, and it was lesson number 5. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do splits. But first, we need to start with a warm-up, and then we will go on to the splits. So first warm-up is this. Okay, 1 and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, like that, but try to go a little closer to the floor like this. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, we'll start like this. Keep your feet like this, and then stretch your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, try to grab your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now grab your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, like this. Put your leg into the, wall. And now stretch your body. If you feel in pain, you can try again. And try to get more closer to the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's start with the splits. Now, I know you're gonna feel pain, but trust me, it will work for you. Now since you did all of this warm-ups, now try to push yourself, push. And also try to push, and ask your parents for this, because it might be hard. Okay, now the middle splits. Alright, as I teach you, like this, try it. The middle split is way harder than the others. And tell your parents as well. Like that. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe, like, follow, and share. And if you want something or you can't do it, ask me in the comments. Thank you.